Hello and welcome back to another Photoshop video. In this video I want to look at how to resize layers. So for instance you can see that I've got a door here, it's too big and we might want to fit it in on the left hand side against this thing here. So a couple of different ways to do it. The simplest way to do it is to do the free transform tool, and you'll see that when we click here it will scale it appropriately, or if we hold down shift we'll be able to stretch the image. The more modern way to do it, however, though, is to use content-aware scale. So with content-aware scale, it will look at things like, take a look at this pattern, and I'll just put it in here. So content-aware scale, and you'll see when I resize it, you see it's if you look at the pattern in that area of the wallpaper there, you can see it's sort of identifying there's a repeating pattern, and then scaling. It won't always work. This is probably a bit too complex for this to work. But you can see it does kind of work. You can kind of move that door in. So that's the way. And again, also with shift, you can do this scaling as well. So I could scale it to be much larger. And you can see, let's just take a look at that. Doesn't quite look right, but it certainly looks better than it would if you just scaled it normally. You can also just, once you've got a layer selected, press Control T. That'll just put you directly into free transform mode. So you can see there. The default setting is bicubic. I tend to prefer to use the bicubic smoother, but you'll get different things. You can also do bicubic automatic. Different settings will give slightly different effects. So yeah, a couple of different ways to resize layers there. So thanks for watching.